Welcome to the North Phoenix Suburbanstead. In this video we fix, refresh, and improve 16-plus year-old pool equipment. We start by replacing the old, cracked and crusty air relief valve and pressure gauge on the top of the cartridge-based water filtration system. I wasn't able to film the removal of the old and install of the new, but it was simple. I ordered the replacement manual air relief assembly on Amazon. Also, after watching other YouTube videos about the same exact replacement, I also ordered the all-trade GOT wrench. Links to these items are below in the description. Punch list item number 1 complete. Next is removing an air pressure release line. This connection was just not necessary. It only made for more leaks. It was originally installed by a technician who incorrectly believed there was a high chlorine buildup in the filter housing. Punch list number 2 complete. Next is replacing some of the O-rings. We'll do this on 2 pumps, one on the leaf vac and another on the water valve gear housing that rotates the in-floor cleaning heads. Punch list number 3 complete. Next is repairing the old and brittle plumbing that has multiple leaks. Because this job required multiple plumbing diameters and a few ball valves, I hired out a professional plumber who specializes in pool equipment. Meet Jim. Good guy. I set up a temporary shade over his work area. Okay, nice paint job, Jim. Now it's my turn. I'll begin by carefully removing all the old labels. Then I'll cut the zip ties that hold the electrical conduit snug along the PVC pipes. Then we'll prepare the PVC to receive the paint. First we'll sand the PVC, then wipe them down with acetone. Then we'll cover up the non-PVC parts and spray paint some nice even coats. Alright, let's finish this thing up and complete all the spray painting. Once the paint is fully dried, I'll apply new plumbing labels. Punch list number 4 complete. Next is to clean the cartridges that filter the water. To gain access to the cartridges, we'll open the manual relief valve, remove the drain plug, remove the center clamp, and then lift off the top of the filter. Then we'll remove the cartridges and bring them over to the cleaning station, the driveway. Now we'll put everything back together in the reverse order from which we removed them. We'll insert the cartridges, put the top of the filter back on, tighten down the center clamp, insert the drain plug, and finally we'll close the manual air relief valve. Punch list number 5 complete. The last item is to add pavers. Adding a small walkway to the pump control box has been on the list for several years. We're finally getting it done. This has been another production from the North Phoenix Suburbanstead. I hope you found the video informative and entertaining. If you haven't done so already, hit subscribe and click on the bell to receive notifications when the next video is posted. Thanks for watching.